we led the evolution of geothermal. Welcome to the revolution. For over 50 years, the geothermal industry has looked to ClimateMaster for leadership and innovation. The new Trilogy 45Q mode geothermal system is a game changer, a bold direction that will challenge the competition and change the industry forever. The Trilogy 45Q mode system offers incredible advances in efficiency, comfort, and convenience, driven by smart, variable speed technology that offers system control and access from practically anywhere. Trilogy uses year-round patent-pending Q-mode operation that provides an 80% energy savings on water heating and provides free air conditioning in summer months as well. Offering the highest efficiency and our industry-exclusive Q-mode system, the Trilogy has the lowest operating cost of any system in the residential heating and cooling industry. One of the ways Trilogy 45Q mode achieves such high efficiency is through the use of our industry-exclusive V-Flow variable speed internal pump. V-Flow provides savings of 60 to 80% on pumping energy and effectively provides a 2 to 4 EER gain in total unit efficiency. With the Trilogy, no external flow center is needed, reducing installation time by 3 to 4 hours. The ClimateMaster Trilogy 45Q mode unit is the first residential system to offer homeowners and their dealers access and control over the internet. The Trilogy unit is paired with the iGate Connect thermostat, a Wi-Fi enabled communicating programmable thermostat with a full-color LCD screen with an easy-to-use interface. Homeowners can monitor and control their Trilogy unit from the iGate Connect thermostat or from any web-enabled device. The homeowner, or the dealer if the homeowner allows, can choose to receive email alerts warning of potential issues with the unit, or if a fault should occur. The dealer can monitor and adjust the unit remotely, allowing them to diagnose potential issues from their office, a convenience not offered by any other residential manufacturer. The Trilogy 45Q mode by ClimateMaster is the smartest unit on the market, has the highest efficiency of any unit on the market, provides full-time hot water, all while providing the lowest operating cost of any HVAC system available. Trilogy is simply the best heating and cooling system money can buy. Welcome to the future